jacket. So, I think I took a picture of it. I don't know what's that, but oh, they have coffee machine and stuff like that. Okay, this is. Nakakalula. Sa Sky Park kayo. Yun sana yung pagstihan ko yun sa kapila. Pero okay. Next time. Our room number is 513. Let's make espresso, can we? How to I make myself a coffee because why not? And this is sugar.
This is the 8th floor. 문이 열립니다. The door is opening.
Yes. Sige, kulit-kulit nito mo.
This is the 5th floor. Going down.
5:13. I think 5:13. Going that way. Ang kapal ng carpet. So this will take a while. Ako binigay naman yung pinaka pangit na rin. Alam mo yun yung wala kang view. Talaga, you know. Hanggang sa dulo, sa may corner. I-drag mo na kaya. Let's go. I-drag na kita. Dito mo yata isa-scan yan. Okay, we're here. Subukana is bed, and then the kitchen. There lang. Ang kapal ng carpet kaya ang hirap. Harap din yung bag ko eh. So I'll be staying here for 2 nights here at Sotetsu Fresa Inn. And this is the hotel here. Amenities. Toilet. They don't have a bathtub. Oh man. I like in Savoy. But here they have the bathroom. They have the TV, and tama nga, lagi ako nilalagay sa likod. Hindi siya street view. Ang taas kasi, sana nasa mababa lang tayo. Kaya wala kang view. But here, look. We have tea. Diba? Talihin ko yan. And may USB socket sila, so that's good. I like it. And I know na may amenities sila dito. These are the hangers. So I think that's it. Wala siyang closet. No closet. But the amenities, meron silang, in fairness, may lotion, vanity kit. Bakit dami nilang vanity kit? Anong meron sa vanity kit? Ah, yes. Q-tips and stuff. Sayang, no? Wala. Anyway, wala siyang bathtub.